Hello. Yes, teacher.
Can I start now? Okay. Hello, ni hao. Welcome to my class.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Or you can say,
Yes, I can.
yes, I can. Okay, very good.
Yes, I can.
Can you see me? Wow, very good. Okay, my name is Teacher
My
Cherise.
name is
What
Apple.
is your name? Oh, what a cute name! Cute name, Apple. How old are you? Are you 5, 6,
9.
7, 8, 9, or 10? Or nice try. And what you can say, I am,
I'm 9 years
I
old.
am
Years
9
old.
years old. Okay, very good. And because of that, I will give you a lollipop. Yay! Okay. And let's have the next one. What do
I
you
like
like to
watching
do?
TV.
Oh, I see you like watching TV. And by the way, teacher loves to beatbox. Do you want to hear it? Yeah. Okay. So because of that, I will give you another reward and I will give you a candy. Okay. High five. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Now, do you like colors? Oh, I see. Or you can say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Please repeat after me. Yes, I do. Okay, very good. Teacher's favorite color is orange and green. How about you? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Oh, I see. What a nice color. And because of that, I will give you another reward. And this is a chocolate from the Philippines. Okay, hooray. I see. And let's have our lesson for today. So, our lesson for today is colors and shapes. Please repeat
Colors
after me.
and shapes.
Colors and shapes. Okay, very good. And because of that, I will give you a trophy.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Now, let's have
Yes.
the part 1. Are you ready? Okay. Now, how many colors are there in the picture? We need to find
Yes.
all of them. Are you ready? Oh, very good. Okay. Let's count together.
One,
1,
two,
2,
three,
3,
four,
4,
five, six.
5, 6. Very good. So again,
Six.
how many colors are there in the picture? Yes, or you can say there are 6
There are 6
colors
colors
in the
in the
picture.
picture.
Wow, very good. And because of that, I will give you a biscuit and a trophy. Woohoo, very good. Okay, let's have the next one. So here, you need to listen to your teacher and read, okay? So this color is yellow.
Yellow.
Please repeat after me. Yellow,
Yellow.
yellow. Okay, very good. Now I have here a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And the star is yellow.
The
Please repeat
star
after me.
is
The star is
yellow.
yellow. Okay, very good. And I also have here a duck. Quack, quack, quack.
The duck
The
is
duck is
yellow.
yellow. Very good. Okay. So again, what
Yellow.
is the color of the star and the duck?
Yellow.
Okay. Nice try. Or you can say the color
The color
of
of
the
the
star
star and
and
the
the
duck
duck is
is
yellow.
yellow.
Wow, very good.
Wow,
And
thank
because of
you,
that, I'll give you
teacher.
a
I love
snack
it.
and a trophy. Yes, you're welcome. Oh, I see. I love it too. Okay, let's have the next one. Please repeat
Blue.
after me. Blue,
Blue.
blue. Okay, very good. Now I have here a car. Broom, broom, broom. Okay, and
The
please
car
repeat after
is
me.
blue.
The car is blue. Wow, very good. And I also have a tweet, 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 tweet. A bird.
The
Please repeat
bird
after me. The
is
bird is blue.
blue.
Very good. Okay. So again, what is the color of the
Blue.
car and the bird? Okay. Or again, you can say the color of the
Car
car
and the
and
bird
the
is
bird is
blue.
blue. Again,
The
the
color
color
of the
of the
car
car and the
and
bird is
the
blue.
bird is blue.
Okay, very good. So I have here another one because you love snacks. Here! This is also a snack. And again, I will give you another trophy. Woohoo! Hooray! Okay, so let's have the next one. Repeat after me. Pink,
Pink. Pink.
pink. Very good. So I have here a coca, coca. Yes,
The
and
frog is
the
pink.
frog is pink. Very good. And I also have here an oink,
The
oink, oink,
pig is
oink.
pink.
The pig is pink. Wow, very good. So again, what is the color of the frog and the pig? Okay. Or again, you can say the color of the frog and the color
The
of
color
the
of the
frog
frog and the pig
and the
is
pig is
pink.
pink. Very good. So I will give you another snack. I not a snack, but this is a gummy bear. Okay, and I'll give you a trophy too. Okay, so let's have the next one.
Green.
Please repeat after me. Green,
Green.
green. Okay, I have here a crayon,
The
and please
crayon
repeat
is
after me.
green.
The crayon is green. Very good. I also have here an apple.
The apple
Please repeat
is
after me.
green.
The apple is green. Very good. So
Green.
again, what is the color of the crayon and the apple? Okay, nice try. Or you can say the color of the crayon and
Green.
the apple is green.
Color of the apple is
The color,
green.
the color. Okay, great. So let's have the last color.
Purple.
Please repeat after me. Purple,
Purple.
purple. Oh, I have here a flower. And please repeat after me.
The flower
The
is
flower is
purple.
purple. Very good. I also have here an eggplant. And
The
please repeat
eggplant
after me.
is
The
purple.
eggplant is purple. Very good. So again,
Purple.
what is the color of the flower and the eggplant? Yes. Or you can say the color of
Is
the
purple.
flower and the eggplant is purple. Okay, very good. So because of that, I will give you another one. An ice cream and a trophy. Woohoo! Okay. Now let's have the next page. So we have here we need to match the colors and the words below. Okay. So watch closely because teacher will do it first. Okay. So mm, this is yellow. So I need to match this
Yes.
and this. Okay,
I'm
are you
ready.
ready? Okay. So
Okay.
can you match the second one?
Is this correct, teacher?
Yes, that's right. Very good. That is correct. And now teacher will do the third one, okay?
Pink.
So, this is pink. So, this one. Okay. Yeah, pink. How about the next one? You do it. Okay? Wow, very good. And the last one? Wow, perfect. Oh, excellent. So, give me a high five. Okay, very good. So, I'll give you another food, and this is donut and a trophy. Woohoo! Okay, let's have the next one. Now you have to look and say. So listen carefully. Teacher will ask you what color is this, and then
Okay.
afterwards you have to spell. Okay, you have to spell it. Mm.
Okay.
Listen to teacher and watch teacher,
Yeah.
okay? So this is yellow. So the
Y
spelling of yellow
E
is
L
y
O.
e l e l o w, yellow. Okay,
Yeah.
are you ready? Okay, yes. So what color is this?
Blue.
Okay, what is the spelling of, oh, I see, wow, you're so good. Pink,
People.
green, purple. Okay. So let's try again the purple. So you can put here Purple. Purple.
P
Can you say it again? P
U
U
R
R
P L
P
E.
L
Purple.
E. Purple. Okay, very good. And because of that, I will give you a drink. Okay? And this is Coca-Cola and another trophy for you. So let's have the next one. Let's have the review part. So teacher will show objects here and you are going to
Yeah.
tell me what color it is. Are you ready? Okay. What color is this?
It's pink.
It's very good. Okay. How
Purple.
about this? Wow,
Blue.
very good. And how about this? Wow, excellent.
Yellow.
And how about this?
Blue.
Very good. And how about this? Ooh, okay, job well done. So because of that, I will give you a burger and a trophy. Okay. So you did a job well done for today, and I'm so happy that you are very good in answering my questions. Okay, so however, you
Okay.
need to practice the word purple. Okay? Yeah. Okay. And so for my suggestion, you need to tell your mom to practice the spelling purple. And you can tell your mom to buy you a coloring book
Okay,
to
thank
master
you.
the colors very well. Okay?
Okay,
Okay.
thank you
So
so
thank
much
you
for
so
that,
much
teacher.
and
So,
goodbye. See you next
congratulations, you
time.
passed your demo class. Please message. Can you hear me clearly? Loud and clear. Okay, great. So please message your TF
Yes,
for
yes,
further
yes.
instructions, and don't
Yes.
forget to register in your T cell as soon as possible. Okay? Your trainer will send you the detailed results. I need to take a picture. One, two, three,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
smile. Okay, goodbye.